Just an hour ago, I was in bed, mindlessly scrolling through my phone and feeling unproductive. And so I got up, looked in the mirror, and gosh, do I look groggy and haggard. And so I dressed myself up prettily, braided my hair, something I haven't done for quite some time, and carried my art materials with me into this field because I wish to paint something in watercolor today. But as it turned out, it didn't go as I planned it to be. You will see why later. But for now, let us enchant ourselves with the simplistic beauty of this place. I believe when one feels the burdens of reality, engaging with nature by just simply observing how alive, moving, and reproductive it is would help lighten one's heart. Admiring the mountains with their sky-high trees, delighting the earth with one's bare feet, letting the wind play with one's hair or flowy dress, walking on a lush carpet of pine needles or spongy grass, listening to the harmonious chirpings of birds and trees, and indulging in the wood scent of dense forest and fragrance of flowers. We all have these little spots in nature that offer us much more than pleasant views. And as for me, capturing a part of this natural world may be through the lens of my humble camera phone or by a few strokes of my pencil and paintbrush offers a therapeutic experience and inspires me to have a meaningful connection with nature and connect more with myself.
gosh. I even went and got my feet muddy just to fill in this jar with water, all to find out that I wouldn't be able to paint. Luckily, I still carried with me my sketch pencils, so instead of painting, because I want to paint this sunflower, rather I will just sketch. So anyway, it's not what I want today, but let's just have our, you know, spontaneous plan B. So that was just a fast sketch again, and it's almost dusk then. No, I think it's already 5 p.m. but the day is longer now, so it's not obvious. So here, yeah, we were not able to paint it with color, but at least we've done something. I will have to pack my things and I will go home. And I will bring this sunflower with me at home so I can paint it tonight.